Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today we're going to be going over one of the symptoms of a dead battery of this LunchEAZE automatic heated lunchbox. Then we'll be taking a look at the replacement battery and installing it. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that this LunchEAZE lunchbox is a great product. It's battery powered, it has automatic heating, adjustable temperatures, and you can even control it with your phone via Bluetooth. This lunchbox will start heating 2 hours prior to your set meal time. So if you'd like to know more about this LunchEAZE lunchbox, check out the video I've made. It'll be down in the description. Alright, so let's get started. Let me show you what's going on with this LunchEAZE. So right now we have it plugged in. We're going to hit the power button. And everything is going to start up. So you are able to control it. You can hit heat now and it'll start heating up. Right here at the battery, down here you see a little plus sign and it says that we have a full battery. Now as soon as we unplug it, it dies. So we're going to plug it back in. Power back up to there. We're gonna unplug it and it's dead. All right, so this LunchEAZE does come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. I did contact them, sent them a video of the symptoms of the lunchbox, and they sent me this new battery. So let's open it up. .4 volt, 8,000 milliamps per hour. So it has a little bit of weight to it. We're going to take these 2 screws off from the bottom of the LunchEAZE. Going to unplug these. Looks like they are both same type of cables. Plug the new one in. Adjust these cables in here so it closes properly. Put the screws back in. Okay, very easy. And as you can see, the new battery works. We are going to plug it in, see if it starts charging. There you see the little plus sign. That means that your LunchEAZE is charging. We're going to unplug it and it stays on. So something I did not tell you that might have caused this battery to die is that I did not use it for 3 months straight. So I strongly believe that you should cycle these batteries, drain them, charge them at least every couple weeks so that it maintains a healthy battery. Now if your battery does die, this LunchEAZE does come with a 1-year warranty, and getting a new battery was very easy from customer service. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you had any issues with your LunchEAZE. If this video has been helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider supporting the channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.